Hi, my name is Mia Kuroyua and I'm a CU Denver student studying digital design, and this is a demo video for my interactive media class on the app Sereni Pets. The project was that we needed to make a iPhone app that addressed a civic issue or improved a social service. For our civic issue or social service, it was mental health. And Sereni Pets is an app where you have a small pet that you take care of while you also take care of your mental health by getting coins from each exercise or level you use, from posting on your Safe Hub, by checking in on your calendar of emotions. There's a lot of different ways you can get coins to take care of your pet and to take care of yourself by also making that for your pet. So my part of the project or my feature was the levels of mental health. For levels of mental health, I wanted it to be a place kind of where you got to get to know yourself a little bit better so that you could focus on working on your mental health and also using exercises that are supposed to help with calming the mind, relaxing, or whatever you are assigned by your therapist. In this project, I was unable to do a lot of the connecting with therapists where the therapist makes your levels for you. So this will just be a prototype on what the app will have when you're not connected with a therapist. So the first screen is this welcome screen where when you first enter the app or feature, you can either connect with a therapist, you can start without a therapist, meet a therapist, or you're already connected. When you go in to connect with a therapist, you'll go into this screen here. It'll ask for a join code and verification of your name and birth date. If you decide to choose the already connected or the start without a therapist, it will take you to this home screen here for our feature, levels of mental health. And then if you do meet a therapist, it'll take you to a different feature called Mindful Match, where you matchmake with a therapist to see who your mindful match is. But anyways, this is the prototype for the start without a therapist or the already connected. So we'll go into the first level, or on the home screen. You can see that there's a home button to go to the home screen of the entire app. There's a setting button that is for the entire app as well. The coins that you collect will be kept track of here. You have each level and exercise, and then it'll go down to like exercise 2, level 2, exercise 3, level 3. But for now, we are just starting with level 1 and exercise 1. And then at the bottom of the screen, you can see your pet here to cheer you on the way, and then also a chat feature and a progress check feature. So first things first, we're going to check out the different levels and exercises. So the first level here is why is it good to have good self-confidence? Gives you a small little summary on what's going on here, and then you go down, write a couple of things about yourself and whatever questions it asks you. For example, what are your top favorite things about yourself? What are 3 goals you have this week? And how will you achieve your goals? And this is to kind of help the user get to know themselves a little bit, because if you don't know yourself, you can't help yourself mentally. Then after you finish a level, you'll get 100 coins where you can and on the screen, you can either go and share it on the Safe Hub, or you can go shop for your pet, or you can keep doing exercise and levels by pressing continue, which is what we're going to do, because we're going to go on to exercise 1 next. So here's exercise 1, and you start off with a mindfulness exercise. There will be a audio playing and there's a script to go along with it. So if you'd like to read along as you listen, just follow the instructions, do some mindfulness, and then you'll continue after you finish. And then there will be a reflection section after you finish the mindfulness practice so that you can reflect on how that made you feel, if it was something you liked, if it was something you didn't like, and kind of just give you some time to review what just happened. Then same thing, after you finish an exercise, you'll get 100 coins. You can share or shop or continue. For prototyping and feature purposes, we'll be pressing continue. The next section we're going to check out is the chat feature. So if you click on chat here, it'll show you your therapist that you're connected. If you're not connected with a therapist, there won't be anybody on here unless you are chatting with possibly other users about different levels and stuff that you follow on the Safe Hub page. But if you click on them, then you can just go ahead and chat with them like a text message and kind of ask questions about levels or reflect on levels with each other, etc. And then after you finish in this chat area, we've got the progress section. So whenever you go into progress, there's a daily check-in where you can click here, get 50 coins just by checking in. And then each day you'll get a little paw print for every day you go onto the app and do the levels and exercises. And then also on the progress page, we have a level, like previous level look, I guess. So after you finished level 1, you can see all of your answers for level 1, or you can see your answers for exercise 1 and kind of reflect and review how you were feeling. So say 2 months down the line after using our app, you're like, oh, I wonder what it was like the first time I used this app. You can scroll back, check, and be like, wow, my answers have changed a lot. And yeah, so that is the levels of mental health section of the Sereni Pets app. And I want to thank you all so much for watching, and thank you. Have a great day.